Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and let me quickly go back to this general list. Right here, all we have to do is to scroll down to the very bottom and find the system and then tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive, like the date, time and the time zone. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, let's turn them off. We have to simply tap on those three switchers to turn the automatic options completely, and now we can freely tap on date and choose it from this calendar. Just find it and tap on OK. The same situation with the time. Just choose it from this clock. Of course, it will be immediately applied. Then we can go to the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available ones, so simply find yours and tap on it. For example, this one. And of course, as you can see, it will be immediately applied. And of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's normal. So sometimes it is better that instead of setting the time, just set the time zone. Here we've got the time format also, so you can use local default if you want to, or you can kind of manually decide. So currently we've got the 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour format, simply tap on this switcher to activate this option. So this is the whole manual customization of the date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.